Listen. Next panel hype. What is this emote? Rave cheer light. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Hype it up. Alright, this is Joseph falling into the cistern. Let's start with the head, shall we? Let's do that again. What is going on? There's this new series called Echo that's on Disney Plus coming out. See, I can't keep up with all the Marvel series, even if I wanted to, anymore. They have to realize I have a busy life. I can't watch all the Marvels that I want to watch. Uh, What's happened to my chat? What have I done to my chat? Here we go. Bring it out from the dark into the light, into the light. So The Chosen was on CBS this morning. They did an interview with the director and some of the actors. That's mainstream television. That's mainstream network television, people. People are so the audience of The Chosen is let me start by saying that America is becoming less and less religious. You may have noticed that. But The Chosen numbers are very, very good. People are watching The Chosen. Even atheists are watching The Chosen. Even people who don't care about religion are watching The Chosen, and there are people who are very religious. What gets me is the reason that people don't like The Chosen. Some of the reasons that people don't like The Chosen, because like there are atheists who don't like The Chosen, and they say that could never happen. And there are people who are very religious who do not like The Chosen because they say that things are not written correctly. Jesus would never do so and so. Like there are things that I've noticed, like, for example, Matthew uses a pen, and I've never seen him dip it into an inkwell. He just carries this pen around with him as if it has a little tube in there with ink. And I don't think that was invented yet. So yeah, there are historical inaccuracies. And there are liberties taken with the story, and you gotta understand that it's the whole purpose and premise of The Chosen is because it's about the backstories. It's about trying to give personality to the people who are written about in the Bible and give them life, give them personality and life, and a reason behind their actions. I'm just happy that we can talk about the Bible in public, in many circles, in many different circles. There are some people who are interested in watching it just because of the historical, they say, accuracy of it. I just mentioned some historical inaccuracies. It's the heart behind the law and not the letter behind the law. Let's just say that. So I'm a fan of it because of that.